Meet the world's dynamic demands with a touch of Lexington charm. Our hotel offers relaxing amenities and unbeatable service in an ideal location. Discover the urban oasis of our hotel in Lexington, Kentucky. Located near area highways, our hotel is still secluded enough for guests to experience the scenic Lexington resort ambience. Enveloped by the rolling meadows of Bluegrass Country, our resort welcomes you to experience a variety of luxuries with golf, spa services, delectable dining, combined with the comfort and sophisticated style of horse country. Experience a Lexington, Kentucky resort that outshines other hotels with unmatched southern hospitality and a genteel ambience. Griffin Marriott Resort is just 4 miles from downtown and convenient to major highways. Enjoy bluegrass hospitality right from the start with genuine and attentive service from our associates. Our Lexington resort features a lobby decorated with chic furniture and contemporary decor that welcomes guests to relax and begin a memorable stay. Guests will feel right at home in the comfort of the plush and stylish seating of our Lexington, Kentucky hotel lobby, perfect for working, socializing or just relaxing. Enjoy relaxing and refreshing elements of Kentucky limestone in our lobby. Unique accents illuminate our redesigned lobby. Take a moment to admire the unique metallic artwork adorning our lobby wall. The piece showcases Lexington's thoroughbred horses. Take advantage of our Atrium, which boasts comfortable furnishings, spacious seating, natural lighting and complimentary Wi-Fi for all guests. Our Atrium provides an excellent setting for small meetings, featuring a variety of comfortable seating arrangements in a semi-private area. The presidential hallway at our Lexington Hotel features traditional wood floors, unique ceiling architectural features and classic furnishings. Our Lexington guest rooms feature refreshing bedding atop ultra-comfortable Tempur-Pedic registered mattresses and wood dressers with ergonomic desk chairs fashioned with the latest technology. Our guest rooms feature refreshing bedding atop ultra-comfortable beds provided by Lexington's own Tempur-Pedic registered. Accents like warm wood dressers, ergonomic desk chairs and the latest technology are also included at our hotel near Keeneland. Rest easy and take in the stunning views from the balcony, offering a beautiful backdrop of our Lexington, Kentucky, hotel grounds. Our spacious king guest room features plush linens and piles of pillows. You will likely wish your stay was longer. Enhance any stay in the unrivaled comfort of our guest rooms with an extraordinary backdrop of our golf course with a view room. Select rooms have various types of balconies to enjoy during your stay. With locally inspired decor, convenient workspaces, crisp bedding and the latest in technology enhancements, our Lexington, Kentucky hotel blends southern hospitality with unsurpassed modern comfort. Relax on the guest room patio while you enjoy the scenic views of our 18-hole golf course. Take in the beauty of Lexington, Kentucky from the balcony of select guest rooms found at our Griffin Hotel. Each room provides a unique backdrop of the surrounding hotel grounds. Enjoy the luxury of backlit mirrors, convenient amenities and spacious counter space in each modern guest bathroom at our Lexington Hotel. Experience our spacious concierge room bathrooms featuring aromatherapy products and thick cotton towels. The presidential suite at our Lexington Hotel provides a warm, relaxing atmosphere for guests to unwind and entertain. Our presidential suite offers unparalleled sophistication and the most elaborate amenities for you during your stay. Entertain your guests or clients during your trip to Lexington with our hospitality suites, which feature a built-in bar with mini refrigerator. Suites are perfect for small gatherings and can be connected to a guest room. Our modern bathrooms are complete with backlit mirrors and convenient amenities. Upgrade your Lexington vacation and enjoy convenient seating areas, HD TVs, computers and printers, plus continental breakfast and afternoon hors d'oeuvres in our Concierge Lounge. The Concierge Lounge at our Lexington Hotel provides a comfortable, open space for guests to work and relax. Share stories and spirits with friends, family or colleagues by the glowing fire pit located on the outdoor pool deck of our Lexington, Kentucky Hotel. Experience Bluegrass Country-inspired cuisine at our Lexington Hotel restaurant. Featuring classic Angus steaks, refreshing salads and a selection of fine wines. The perfect setting for an intimate dinner meeting or special occasion celebration. Unwind in the transformed scene of JW's Lounge and enjoy some of the best bourbon Kentucky has to offer. Discover the modern and luxurious look of JW's Lounge and enjoy the perfect setting to meet with colleagues, grab a bite or sip cocktails during your Lexington stay. Enjoy the refreshed space of JW's Lounge with a variety of savory selections for lunch and dinner. Start your day with your favorite specialty brew or snack at Starbucks Registered, located in our gift shop. Enjoy free Wi-Fi at our comfortable cafe seating. Our Lexington Hotel offers guests a heated outdoor swimming pool, open seasonally. Pool towels are provided for guests. Enjoy a relaxing dip in our Lexington, Kentucky resort pool and whirlpool any time of year. Stay active during your Kentucky stay with our state-of-the-art fitness center featuring cardiovascular equipment, free weights and exercise balls. Bikes are available for full and half-day rentals. Stop by the golf shop for more information. Explore the Legacy Trail, located across the street from our resort. Tee off on lush greens in Lexington, Kentucky. Enjoy a skillfully designed course complemented by the breathtaking landscape of our 220-acre resort. Whether you're a novice or scratch player, there's always a part of your game that could use some concentrated attention. Griffin Gate Golf Club offers private lessons with our PGA professionals to help you get the most out of your game. With classic bunker lines and new fairway approaches into greens and chipping areas, golfers will enjoy this unique golf course, located in the heart of Kentucky at our Lexington Resort. Hit the greens in Bluegrass Country where we golf year-round. Our beautifully manicured 18-hole course is open to the public all year long. Renowned architect Rhys Jones, son of the revered Robert Dren Jones, sculpted this very fast track at our Lexington, Kentucky golf course from the rolling hills of Kentucky Bluegrass Country. Discover an exceptional golf experience in the rolling hills of Kentucky that features an extensive bunker renovation led by the original designer, Rhys Jones. Swing away with innovative chipping areas and redefined fairway lines on a course that provides varied challenges for golfers of all levels. Our outdoor golf pavilion is the perfect gathering place for a professional business golf retreat at our Griffin Gate Golf Course. Enjoy the sunshine from the golf pavilion patio, located at the 19th hole. Enjoy a cold beverage and delicious seats after a round of golf. Experience the newly renovated 19th hole, serving breakfast, lunch and snacks. This unique space is also available for your next private event or group outing. Enjoy a golfer's reward at the 19th hole either before or after a challenging round, featuring light fare and thirst-quenching beverages. Catch your favorite sports team playing on TV at the 19th hole or shop for top-of-the-line golf apparel and equipment in our golf shop. Relax and unwind while you enjoy a rejuvenating poolside cabana massage. Special spa services for the well-groomed man. Take advantage of the spa Griffin Gate, offering a variety of treatments that are sure to melt away stress and provide complete relaxation. Refresh the skin and unwind during this one-of-a-kind spa experience. Enjoy a special moment in our Lexington, Kentucky spa relaxation room before or after your favorite treatment. Buff the skin and refresh the soul with this relaxing body scrub treatment. Your skin will be radiant and glowing with any of our facials, including the Griffin Gate Signature Facial. Our specially trained therapists bring you to a new level of relaxation as warmed river rocks are gently incorporated into your massage. Get set to relieve muscle tension and ease away your stress. The perfect escape to tranquility. Relax before or after your appointment at our spa in Lexington, Kentucky on our patio, and view our very own organic garden. Combining the healing power of Kentucky's native minerals and fabulous wildflowers, we have created spa treatments to renew the skin and create ultimate relaxation. Snip, color and create a style all your own at our Lexington, Kentucky spa. We offer a variety of hair services as well as professional makeup applications and updos for that special occasion. Treat your feet to a luxury pedicure at the end of day, and choose from a selection of specialty scrubs for extra pampering at our spa in Lexington, Kentucky. The ambience of the spa Griffin Gate mirrors the natural abundance of our serene bluegrass region, and echoes throughout our resort in Lexington, Kentucky. Relax poolside at our Lexington, Kentucky hotel before or after your luxurious spa treatment. Experience the world's most award-winning distillery when you stay at Griffin Gate Marriott Resort and Spa. Take a tour of Buffalo Trace Distillery and watch behind the scenes how bourbon is filled, sealed, labeled, and packaged, all by hand. Experience Kentucky's unique horse country. Learn about the breeding process and take a tour of some of the world's premier horse farms, just minutes from our resort. With its tranquil setting and lovely stone fences, this National Historic Landmark is one of the most genteel and beautiful racetracks in the world. Schedule your next small meeting in our Calumet meeting room and enjoy the natural lighting and integrated audio-visual equipment. Ideal for large conventions and conferences, our grand ballroom has a capacity of 1,200 guests and can be divided into several smaller sections. Our terrace ballroom features floor-to-ceiling windows, providing attractive views of the resort grounds. Featuring floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the resort grounds, our terrace ballroom is perfect for intimate events of up to 100 people. French doors open out to the connecting patio, perfect for cocktail hour. This unique outdoor space in Lexington, Kentucky overlooks the serene backdrop of our golf greens and is the perfect place for an outdoor reception, cocktail hour and much more. The mansion, found on the grounds of our Lexington Hotel, provides a unique ambience for any event. Guests can enjoy a full bar stocked with our famous Kentucky bourbon. Host your next Lexington business meeting at our on-site mansion, perfect for unique gatherings with a space fully equipped with technology to meet all of your guests' needs. The Blue-ish room at our Lexington mansion features natural lighting in an elegant, spacious location perfect for networking and small gatherings. Start your event right at the paddock patio, offering stunning views of the golf course and resort. It is the perfect place for an outdoor reception, cocktail hour and much more. For outdoor events in the most beautiful setting, the pavilion and patio are sure to impress. Host your special event on the mansion patio, overlooking the beautifully landscaped grounds. Located on the 7th floor, Spindthrift is perfect for meetings and events for up to 120 people. Add a unique touch to meetings with outdoor patio space overlooking the hotel grounds. Whether it is space for a coffee break, cocktail reception, or vendor displays, our foyer offers an impressive area for all events. The Grand Ballroom features 9,500 square feet of flexible meeting space and is divisible into 8 sections. Located on the 7th floor, Elmendorf is perfect for board retreats or small meetings. Create an exceptional outdoor event to complement a golf outing on our course. From fundraisers to championship celebrations, add a special touch to the game with a gathering at the golf pavilion. Our Bluegrass Outdoor Pavilion accommodates up to 250 guests, is fully climate-controlled and boasts stunning views of our golf course. Experience a perfect setting for your special day in our Bluegrass Pavilion venue, accented by French doors and beautiful chandeliers. Choose from an array of wedding venues in Lexington, including ballrooms and outdoor pavilions, and host your ceremony on our meticulously manicured overlook. Begin your happily ever after on our beautifully landscaped lawn overlooking 220 acres of our golf course. Our paddock pavilion features over 5,000 square feet with beautiful, natural lighting, providing the perfect setting for your reception. Rely on our event planners to execute every detail of your wedding to your exact specifications. Welcome your Lexington wedding guests into the inviting atmosphere of our grand ballroom. This space offers the perfect fit for weddings and social affairs when paired with the expert skills of our event team. The mansion is the perfect setting for special events that will leave a lasting impression. Adorned with crystal chandeliers and rare antiques, the mansion provides a unique ambience for any event. Enjoy exceptional service in our historic 19th century setting. The mansion lawn creates a one-of-a-kind scene for ceremonies and social events. A meticulously restored 19th century antebellum manor blending tradition and sophistication, the mansion provides the perfect venue for weddings or private social events. Our historic on-site mansion staircase is the perfect setting for your special day photo backdrop.